right, good morning. You know what time it is. It's yard sale time. We got to get to flipping. There's only 2 sales today. It's getting late in the season. All right, enough talking. Let's go see what we can get into. Come on, let's go take a look.
And it's old. No, the case was my grandmother's.
All right, here's a nice little bust. Now this sale, I came to this sale specifically for vintage Barbie dolls she had listed. She wasn't set up yet, so I asked her, where's the Barbies? And then I asked her again here. And the vintage Barbies, are they in the boxes or?
What kind of I have Barbies, yeah. I have Barbies in boxes too.
Okay.
I know what you're looking for, but yeah, see, we just don't have everything out.
Those early birders.
Yeah. That's old.
Here's the little swimsuit, but it was not authentic old. You could feel it. It was the wrong material.
1990s Barbies in boxes. They're not. They're in the basements.
Mm-hmm.
That was mine. That was back in the early 60s. So here's some Barbies.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how I'm selling them.
Just like that.
Just like this. I'm not taking them apart.
Right.
None of them are brand new. I mean, they're there. They look good.
Mm-hmm.
They've been.
The prices were cheap. As you see, those 2 dolls are $14. And there's the doll. $5 for this one. Yo. That's a nice Barbie doll.
Now, do you collect or do you resell?
I resell.
Uh-huh.
That Barbie, the hairstyle is special. It's called the bubble cut.
That was my babe. That was mine. I made this.
You made the dress?
I did. Aww. My Barbie.
My
It
Barbie.
was my first Barbie.
This is interesting.
In original clothing. And that was her case.
This was.
Uh-huh. That's what I used.
That's what she used.
It's a nice good shape.
Yeah.
Oh.
Take a picture of that. I had to look this case up because I didn't think it was Barbie, and I still don't think it was Barbie yet. It's like some kind of after thing she just happened to use for a Barbie case. But it did have a Barbie look. It was sparkly, and it just wasn't something I've seen before.
That was my grandmother's. It's
So I just had to confirm to make sure.
It's cool. Okay, I'm glad somebody's taking it. You know, it's probably worth a whole bunch, but
Right.
it's neat.
Now we all know that's a Barbie case. Now was that other case some earlier prototype or something? I don't know. If you know out there and you're watching and you know about Barbies, let me know in the comments down below. I've never seen that case. And there was none listed. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist or it wasn't, you know, that. So, yeah, please leave a comment down below. Don't be afraid. It doesn't cost anything to comment. Or hit that like button or subscribe. All right. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. So I'm checking this Barbie out pretty good. She got a little damage on the foot. A little chew. Someone chewed on it. Probably her. And I'm debating on this blonde doll.
Finding stuff?
Oh, maybe. It's got the holes in the feet. It's a little more modern. But the plastic wasn't right. It was like a remake. This one is not a remake. She got her toe chewed off.
What's that?
She got her toe chewed off.
Yeah, how about that? Who knows what happened? No idea.
She knows what happened. She was chewing on it. Good thing a dog ain't gonna work, because it'll chew the leg all apart. And that's the only Barbie I got out of that pile, was that one. $5. And the lady had said that was her doll. She really had she talked to the doll before she let it go. And she really had to say her piece to this doll before she let it go. Nice little Dyson car cleaning accessory set. I had to look that one up just to see what they were doing. This time of year it's getting late and my storage area is getting pretty full, so I don't want a bunch of extra stuff. I usually don't care, and I'll just buy it, stack it up, purge it. And these window kits are nice. Put those over a window and shrink the plastic. If you have an old window.
All done?
Yep, $9 worth.
Okay.
Did you see the exercise plate?
I'm not
Not an
gonna
exercise
exercise.
plate.
You're not getting me to do work.
We'll get it out.
Never mind.
Oh, I'll help you take it out. If you
No,
need.
we'll get it. No, we'll get it. There's too much stuff in front. Here you
I
go.
just don't want to do the work of riding it.
Yeah. Okay.
I get enough exercise at work.
So
Okay,
you
bye.
have a building where you sell these things?
No, just online.
Oh, just online.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of things do you like to purchase mostly?
It was a
Yeah, great.
two-sided card. It
Okay.
gives you a little idea of
Okay.
things I buy.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Just telling it goodbye.
Okay. I made my piece.
Did you? All
We had fun.
We had that. That's an older
Take
one.
care of my girl.
I will. Thank you. She went to a good home. No jewelry or musical instruments.
No.
Okay. She went to a collector that really.
I saw those. Yeah.
Oh, look at these. Nathan P3 chimes.
Might have more. We don't
It's
know.
actually a P1, a P2, and a P4. How much are your chimes?
Hey, hon, how much is this? 20?
No.
Would you take it?
200.
What do you take me offer, brother?
You wouldn't take 100 bucks?
Take it 150, it's yours.
I'll take it.
Locomotive horn?
Yep. Nathan P chimes, P3s. What did we say?
150.
150. That's the smaller one.
Yeah, that's a small one.
That's a 3 chime.
Yep.
I also got 5 chimes.
Deal.
Bigger ones, yes.
Not here.
Not today.
I'll take the 5 chimers.
Well, when I worked for the railroad, I got a lot of them.
Yeah, you have more than. How many 5 chimers you have?
Do you have the $50 change, or do you want me to get it?
These are the horns that went on top of the train engine. Nothing like P3s. Ooh. They're loud horns. Nice.
You're asking for the
All right, so this section I have to overdub because certain people don't like their voices put on the recorder. So this part I'm overdubbing now. Now you're allowed to have their images for some reason, but they can opt out of their voice. So here we do the overdub. There we got our change back from the horns. We paid $150. It was a good deal.
What happens? I got 3 covers one time out at and they made
Here's a nice document. 1796. It's parchment paper. It's General Armstrong. It's an indenture. How much is this?
I still have one somewhere.
How much?
$50.
It's an indenture. Armstrong County, PA was actually named after him. Cumberland.
Early one, boy.
Yeah, it is. Cumberland County. And this is dealing with his estate. He died. And this is his heirs and assigns settling his estate. A couple good signatures on this piece. Secretary, is it Secretary of State now? A congressman.
I try to call
It's
you.
dealing with General Armstrong and the Continental Army.
It's okay.
All right, I'll talk
There
to you
was
soon.
another
We're sellers, so.
good
Well, I'm not
signature. I
selling.
can't remember what it was now. But I still have the piece. I paid $50 for it.
I don't save anything for
The
anybody.
calligraphy, writing
I
style,
saved my money for you.
the penmanship is phenomenal. Looks
Did I ever
great.
tell you about one of those that I have? I got
So I
it framed.
take it.
Paid to get it
I still
framed.
have it.
It's signed by
It's an old piece.
decided
It's
to
neat
wrote
to
the,
have.
yeah.
Oh, there's Tom.
How much is your Navajo?
He's a viewer. He likes to watch.
Yeah.
I even have it outside.
I should have bought this Navajo. It was only $20. I don't know why I didn't. It was a nice, clean radio. I should have bought it. Had the book. Should have bought it.
That goes with it. So
A little whip. Yeah, I probably could have got 60 or 70 bucks for it. I should have bought it. I don't know
I
why.
had a couple of questions I wanted to ask you about eBay, but another gentleman answered them for me. So Zach, he's
Zach.
walking this way.
Oh yeah. GTP.
Yeah.
All right, here's Jack, the guy I bought the train horns from.
Morning.
Good morning. Here is 100 bucks. That's for those train horns.
Oh.
An extra. I gave you 150. That's 250 now. They did better than what I thought they would.
Oh, okay.
Well, that was nice of you.
Yeah.
My goodness, thank you.
Yep.
You see Debbie walking that way?
Yeah.
I figured to throw him an extra 100. I did better than I thought. Paid 150, sold for you'll see. So I gave him an extra 100.
Dog.
Here we're at another sale. Chips got a jewelry box he wants to see. Is this gold? That gold. That is. He got some gold in a jewelry box. Chip's Bloodhound. Nice safe. I wonder what's in that. And I got some gold out of this sale too. Chip got some gold. I got a little bit of gold. And surprisingly, the gold stuff was cheap. Everything else was way overpriced. About retail or better. Christmas bells are ringing. Yeah, I wish it was interesting. This sale was months ago, and I'm thinking that Christmas bells are ringing. And it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, everybody. That key just won't work. I want it to work so bad. Ooh. Oh, get those, Chip. Huh? This is an auto award. Chevrolet Buffalo plant.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I want to get that.
Let's see what they say. We'll see what they say. Shit you can't look up. Probably for money, I said. Well, you wouldn't believe it.
Well, buy it on the street.
For a $1,000 bill in it. $1,000 bill.
Yeah.
That's a nice little
Yeah.
footboard.
Whoops, excuse me.
You'd be
Where
surprised
am I
at
looking?
everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Have money in them. Anywhere you can see. This video spans over like 2 or 3 days, like the flea market, a Friday yard sale, and this is Saturday yard sale. So wild horses. That's why you see the difference.
Yeah.
He'll sell you the box. He'll sell you the box.
Yeah.
10 bucks. You're rotten. The jewelry box was $10. She wanted it. We said he'd sell her the box, not the stuff in it, for $10. That's funny. How much is this clock?
Oh, that's not for sale.
Okay. I'm gonna stick this right here. And then I got this and then the little box.
Okay.
This said 5.
Oh. 3.
No, you're not.
3 for that? Or 5? This is 5.
Yeah, okay. For both, that's fine.
Okay, for both, that's fine.
Here.
The little box had some gold in it. I'm still whistling Christmas bells or change. But they had some okay stuff, Tupperware and stuff, but everything was just too high priced.
No, that's
So it was. Train would have been alright.
You got a 5?
Yeah. Nice little dining room table from the 50s. Oh, that's right. There was paint cans downstairs. Sherwin-Williams still full.
I'll tell you what I was doing, honey.
A lot of paint cans to keep your eye out on. I have these paint cans too from the basement.
I'll just take them.
Okay. Free. You can't
That's why I
beat
said there's
free.
really nothing down there.
Hey, thank you.
Any tools and stuff my brother's got and dad's had.
Right. All right, so there's that Barbie doll we bought for $5. It sold for $225. It was a nice Barbie. It had the chewed up toe, but there you go. All right, the gold I got from that sale just there, $45. Here's the train horn, $610. Don't pass by those Nathan P chimes. Beautiful set. We kick back to Jack, $100. All right, everybody. Hey, thank you for watching. It's been great. I'm up to 750 subscribers. Thank you very much. Have a Merry Christmas. And until next week, keep on flipping.